How you doing, everybody? And let's talk about flashing the fog lights on these new GM trucks right down here. So, unlike previous generations, I am not attacking the wiring at the bumper or making you guys crawl around underneath the truck to try to find the wiring underneath there. We're going to do these fog lights by cutting one wire at the lighting control module. We're going to flash both the fog lights in unison. We are not going to be able to alternate them unless you want to cut apart the bumper harness behind the bumper. It's not impossible, it's just not the way I'm selling this kit. And here's your after effect. Here's your flash patterns. You have choice of 29. I particularly, because they're flashed together, like to use a faster flash pattern, but you can pick any one that you like. And the synchronization is there. If you wanted to synchronize both fog lights to flash alternate of both mirrors, the flash patterns will allow you to do that. There's so much customization you can do with flash patterns in sync on this particular auto flasher module. So enjoy. Any questions, get a hold of us via email. The other thing I did want to mention before I close out this video is the fog lights between a GMC Sierra and a Chevrolet Silverado are most likely the same, and we'll be testing that